Hey, what's up guys? I'm JP from Pasig City, Philippines. And ipapakita ko sa video na to kung paano mag-provide ng help sa MMM Global Community. So, MMM is a global fund of mutual aid. So, magpo-provide ako ng help today. And later on, the MMM community will also provide me help pag nangailangan ako. So, technically, that's after a month. So, papakita ko sa'yo kung paano to. So, you go to mmmglobal.org to your browser. And pag nandun ka na, punta ka dun sa far right, makikita mo yung login to MMM. Click mo yon. Pag of course, sign up ka na. So, pag may account ka na, you log in to your account. And, lagyan mo yung password mo. Okay. Ngayon, bago ka mag-provide ng help, okay, etong button na to, check mo muna kung yung account mo or yung funds mo sa account mo may laman. So, you click accounts and check mo yung mga credentials. So, yung aking payment method, I choose Bitcoin. Kasi Bitcoin is a digital currency, internationally recognized. Pag bangko kasi nilagay ko dito, yung local bank natin, it would take a couple of days to appear the funds. So, I prefer Bitcoin para real-time yung transaction. Couple of minutes, it will appear on your account na may pondo ka na. So, pag wala ka pang Bitcoin or payment method on this accounts area, so click mo lang yung add, then put mo lang yung mga credentials and hit save kung banko or Bitcoin. Okay, so for me, Bitcoin yung gagamitin ko to provide help. So on my Bitcoin back office, meron na akong 2,500. Okay, so balik ako doon sa MMM back office. So, I'll gonna provide help. So, click nyo po yung dashboard doon sa may dulo, sa kaliwa, sa taas, and I will provide help by clicking provide help button. Okay, wait lang natin. Then, of course, read the terms and condition. The terms and condition na nag-agree kayo, na you fully understand all the risks and make decision participate in MMM being sound mind and memory. So okay na tayo doon. Alright, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, you can provide help using Bitcoin or yung mga accredited banks. Okay, ang pinakaiba dun sa Bitcoin, real time po siya mag-a-appear yung funds nyo. Sa mga bangko kasi, it would take time depending on their banking days kung kailan mag-appear dito sa MMM back office. So, I prefer Bitcoin para makita ko na agad na may pondo na agad. So, I choose Bitcoin, then hit next. Okay. Magpo-provide po ako ng 2,500 kasi gusto ko pong ma-avail yung $20 na bonus, get bonus of $20. Pag 2,500 po yun. Promo po to pag first nyo pong yung pinakaunang-una nyo pong deposit or mag-provide ng help sa MMM community. So, 2,500 po ang i-select ko. Then, may mga other promos pa ho dito. Like, for instance, Mining Light, may 10% ka doon. Lalagay mo dyan magkanong amount. After 3 days, pwede mong withdrawin. Pag premium plus 10%, after 4 days, pwede mo siyang withdrawin. Pag mining pro plus 10% sa principal na ilalagay mo, in the 6th day, pwede mo siyang withdrawin. But yung term po dito, i-stop ka ng system pag na-reach mo na yung 50,000 pesos dito sa promo na to. Ngayon, ayoko muna mag-participate dito So I rather go on the one na I know na magi-increase yung money ko once na mag-aasa ako ng help. So ilalagay ko yung 2,500 dito kasi after 30 days or 1 month, it will grow 30%. Okay? Plus yung $20 bonus ko ngayon. Kasi gusto ko makuha yon. So, kailangan 2.5 po yung ilalagay nyo pong provide help. So, si MMM, bibigyan ka ng $20 bonus. Because 2.5 po yung ipapasok nyo pong pondo or po-provide nyo pong help sa community. So, okay na po tayo dito. Then, you're gonna click next. Alright. Now, meron yung confirmation na confirm authenticity of the data enter. So, 2.5 in peso. So, 2.5 current growth of 30% per month. Marvo PHP. PHP po is peso. So, okay na po. Confirm na po. Then, you hit next. Your request fund was added. Please wait to process. Okay. Ayan po. Kanina po empty po yan. Now, may nag-appear po dito na request to provide help. So, the date, yung date po ngayon is July 29. So, babalik po ako next month to ask for help naman. Dito naman. So, sana nakatulong po itong video na to. And free naman po yung pag-sign up nito. So, check nyo lang po yung link together with this video. Maraming salamat po.